So today I'm coming at you guys with a what's in my diaper bag video. My daughter is 15 months old now, so I don't really have to carry too many things, but there are a lot of things that I like to carry just to have on hand. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get started. So first of all, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my diaper bag. I have the Lily and Jade Madeline bag. It is the camel and gold. So if you don't know what the Lily and Jade bags are, these are leather diaper bags. They're very expensive though for a diaper bag. I found this at a local consignment store for $40. These bags usually retail for about $340. They have some sales on the site, but here, can you see? Right there. It's $340. And I got mine for $40. However, it is supposed to come with an insert, but my bag didn't come with the insert because it was from a consignment store. But I found an insert on Facebook for, I believe it was $30, and the girl sent it to me for free. So overall I paid $70 for a bag that would have cost me $340 retail. I am in love with this bag because it has the short handles, and it also has these clips here that you can attach this long strap to so that it could become a crossbody, or the way that I use it is like a backpack. So it has two clips down here where you clip the strap to, and then in the middle here it has this little hook here, and you're supposed to just string it through, and then you get a backpack. So it's a 3-in-1 style bag. On the hook here, because I'm not using it as a crossbody, I put my hand sanitizer, my car keys, and then I also have this Munchkin plastic bags for my diapers whenever I have to throw them away. I don't want to just throw them in the trash because it's going to get stinky. So I put them in these Arm & Hammer, it comes with Arm & Hammer inserts. I put them in here and then I throw it away, then it won't stink up the rubbish can. A lot of times when we go to friends' house and stuff, I don't want to stink up their house, so I throw the diapers in there and then I throw it in their rubbish can. It's just a common courtesy kind of thing. Okay, so this front pocket here, it has a zipper. I don't normally carry anything in here. Well, actually, I have $10. Just in case I ever need cash. At least I know what's in there. I'll probably forget about it when I do need it. So, anyways, this lifts up. Then there's quite a, I don't know if you can see, but there's a few pockets here. 1, 2, and 3 pockets in the front. So, in the middle pocket, I always have a reusable bag. So this is my little Snoopy reusable bag. I always keep that in there for whenever we go shopping. There's nothing in the first pocket. The last pocket, I have some liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick. Ooh, my favorite, my Too Faced lip gloss. And my Ever Flash Power Plumping lip gloss. That's one of my favorites. Okay, let's get into the bag. Oh wait, hold on. There's a back zipper here. I don't really think I use it. Nope, I don't use it. But I guess you could put like your phone or your wallet back there, but I don't really like putting my wallet on the outside of the bag. I also love it because it has this zipper, so I can zip it closed and my daughter can't touch anything. So when you open it, it's this beautiful color. I love this color. So that you have the bag itself, and then you also have this insert. So let me take out the insert. Okay. So this is what the bag looks like itself. Can you see? So it has regular pockets like a regular bag. I don't really have anything in those pockets. Yep, nothing in there. I'll put that on the side. Okay. So, the insert. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pockets, and then it also has a zipper pocket, which I'll show you after. So, on the outside here, I just have my wipes container. This is the OXO brand wipes container. So you just lift it open like this, pull out your wipes, and then when you have to refill it, it opens this way. I love this OXO brand of baby stuff. I have a bunch of their stuff. I also always have 3 diapers. We're using the Huggies little movers right now, just because Kyla moves around way too much, and it has like this extra layer of stickiness to hold the diaper together. I love it. Okay, inside I have these 2 little pouches. So these 2 little pouches are also from Lily Jade. I bought them a while ago when I was using a different diaper bag, but I just wanted to be more organized. So it has like a clear window, a zipper top. They actually come in 3 different sizes, but I can't find my large one, so I'm just using these 2 for now. So in the smallest one, I have my deodorant, my Kyla's baby shampoo, some rash medicine, nail clippers. I have this little thing here with Q-tips, and in the back I stuck some alcohol swabs, just because Kyla has pierced ears, and if I ever feel like I need to clean it, I have that. And then I also have this really cool, it's called mini tissue. So it comes in a tube like this. They also have them individually packed, but I like the tube. So what it is there are these little, like, can you see it? These little tablets thing, and you just wet it and it turns into like a full-size napkin kind of thing. So if she ever has an accident or something, or I need to clean her up, I can just wet this and then I have a whole big napkin to clean up with. So I can't remember where I got this from. I think it was from like a new product show that was here, and they had it like this, and they also have them in like little packages, so it looks like candy. But I like this one. Easier to carry. So that's in that one. Then in the medium size one, I have just some extra clothes in case we're out. So I have an extra set of like a t-shirt and shorts, a sweater, and an extra panty. She's still in diapers, not really potty training yet, but I use the panty because she always takes off her diaper. So that's to stop her from taking off her diaper. Oh, okay. So on the outside, I also keep this Lily and Jade changing mat. It's this beautiful teal color, and it just looks like this, and I like it because it just rolls up very nicely. So whenever we're on the go, I can just, and I actually have 2 of these because one came with the diaper bag, and then the girl that sent me the insert also gave me a changing mat. So I have 2 of them, and I really like it. I mean, I usually don't change her diaper when we're out too much, because I always change her like either in the car or before we go out, so I don't really have to change her while we're out. Right now I don't really have anything in these 2 pockets here, the back ones, but on this side one I do have her cup of water. This is the Munchkin 360 cup. I really like it. So what it is it has this silicone topper, and then this has like little holes in it, so she can learn to drink it like a regular cup, but all the water won't just like splash on her face like how it just did when I opened it. When she turned 1, our doctor said no more bottles, so I switched her to this Miracle 360 cup, and she totally loved it. I know a lot of parents struggle with the bottle to sippy cup transition or straight to a cup, but we really didn't have a problem. This cup works really well for us. It also comes with a cover, like you can just cover it, but I don't know where she put that. I think it's in the dishwasher. Okay, back to the inside of this pocket. We have, oh, first of all, we have her little pouch here. I just use this little unicorn pouch. It has her like little pins and rubber bands all inside, just because she always takes out her rubber bands, but her hair always ends up in her face. Next I have this little bib thing that I got. I ordered it off of Amazon, and I'll leave the link down below, but I really like this bib. It's by B.Box. So what it is it has this hard front where it like catches the food, and then you just unzip it, see, and then it unrolls. Oops. And it unrolls into a bib like this. So when it's on, then all the food just kind of goes down, and it's easy to clean. Kind of just like wipe it clean. I'm not sure if you can throw it in the washing machine. I'm not 100% sure. Anyways, it comes with a silicone like spoon, but I like to keep this in there. This is just a set someone gave Kyla for Christmas. It's a little fork and spoon, and she really eats well with this fork. The spoon's a little big, but she still likes to use it, so I like to keep that in there. Sometimes we go out to restaurants and they don't have like a baby spoon, so it's hard for her to eat. And in this, I have a brush, which actually should be in here, but okay. And then there's like a little tiny pocket in here. I don't know if you can see. So I just have my mints for me whenever I feel like I need a mint. And then I carry my doTERRA roller oils. I make these myself. I don't use the doTERRA roller oils just because I feel like I get more if I buy the full oil and then put them in here myself. So I have a protective blend, which is basically just On Guard and coconut oil. I have lavender to kind of calm Kyla down whenever she's very fussy or agitated, which is just lavender and coconut oil. And then this one is tea tree oil, which is the Melaleuca. Can you see that? Which is just the Melaleuca with coconut oil. So, oh, and the On Guard, the protective blend, I just rub it on the bottoms of Kyla's feet whenever I feel like she's getting sick, or if she was out playing outside all day, I'll rub that on her feet, or I'll rub it on her hands, just so that it kind of kills the germs. Okay, I also have my wallet in here. Like I said, I just like my wallet to be inside of the bag, not on the outside. It's harder for someone to take if they really wanted to take it. And then in the next pocket, I just have some of these like snacks, so like an applesauce and some of these like Kimmy balls. Kyla really loves these. We used to all eat them as kids too. And there's one more zipper. I don't think there's anything in it. Yeah, there's nothing in there, but sometimes I'll put like my makeup in there. If we're going out, I'll put my eyeliner or my setting spray. Just stuff to touch up. And that is about it. So yeah, you have the insert, these little pouches, and the diaper bag, which could easily be turned into a purse. I'll leave the links of all of these items that I have in here down below if I can find them. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye!